How to make money as an introvert online. Find out how to do it next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question how to make money as an introvert. Right now, in my opinion, I feel like I am an introvert. I am a some sort of different introvert. Why? Because I'm not really a people person. I have a very close niche group of people I deal with. Now, the funny thing is, people that really know, like, you're not an introvert because I'm always doing stuff, whether it be like performances, teaching class, um, training people, whatever. I'm always like seemingly like around people, but I am an introvert because I like to be alone. I like to work by myself. I like to be in control of things. And if you look up introvert, that's pretty much what it is. So if that is you, you should, because you watching this video. Um, you're probably, like I said, to yourself, or or you got to keep a small group of people, and you just like to do things by yourself. But that shouldn't stop you from wanting to make money, right? So what is a way that you can make some money as an introvert? And in my opinion, the number one thing you could do is become a Kindle book publisher. That is, to me, when this subject came up, like, that's the first thing popped in my head. Why? Because with being a Kindle book publisher, you're literally working by yourself, right? You don't have to check on anybody. You could do your own research. You could do this and you could do that. You can actually not even use your own name, right? You can have a pen name. So you literally can create a fortune just by being a Kindle book publisher, author, right? And not even using your real name. You don't got to use your picture. You don't got to use anything. And you don't have to deal with people. Like, you don't have to deal with a lot of people, if any, when you're a Kindle book publisher. So, which I talked about in the past, of course, that I use K Money Mastery. Um, when I was going through this course and actually doing the steps and making my first money from Kindle, it did hit me like, wow, I didn't even um, deal with anybody. Now, my first few books I wrote were by me. You can look me up on Amazon. Links in the description. You can see a couple. But I do have several books that I use a pen name, and you have no idea, no clue that it's me, right? And I could have always did that. Like, I didn't have to put out one book, um, you know, with my name on it, right? But building credibility and stuff like that. Yeah, I wanted to drop some, let people know, that this is me, right? But if you're an introvert, this is the perfect way to make money online, and actually build a nice passive income if you decide to take it serious. Keep in mind, when it comes to Kindle, what K Money Mastery actually teaches you to do is get books published. Whether um, you can do it by posting it, like writing the content yourself, but it also teaches you how to get it done for you in the cheapest way possible, right? So it gives you everything you need, and that's why I always promote this course, because it's one of the very few ones that's like super legit. Like, it's one of the ones that if you get the course and you stick with it and you follow the steps, you're going to make money. Like, if you just stick with it, right? So that's why I'm proud to, like, yo, okay, Money Mastery, you know what I'm saying? Boom. But there's other opportunities out there to make money as an introvert, obviously. But with this one, you can't go wrong with it. If you enjoy writing and you're a creative person, you can write these books yourself. If you're not, you can actually have other people do it for you. But the idea is to build up a nice catalog of books, right? Find topics that people are searching for. This is the key. Find topics that people are searching for, and attack it. Go for it. Create multiple books, and you're gonna see some income come in, guys. So that's my take on it. That's my opinion. If you want to check out K Money Mastery for yourself, link is below. If you don't, that's on you. You can search other places. But guys, Kindle, that's what's up. All right. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.